Have you ever wondered why learning and innovation are a continuous process, and how companies are matching the need for innovation with next generation learning? Let's talk about innovation. What exactly is innovation? Innovation in today's world doesn't mean reinventing the same wheel, certainly not. Innovation is changing the business model, it is thinking differently or improving existing services. There was a need for this innovation. There was a need for a holistic learning continuum that so far did not exist for the middle managers. There was also a need for structured learning and formal skill upgrade or onboarding process to managerial roles. Also, the attrition rate was quite high as the aspirations were not met. How did we do it? We adopted a design thinking structured approach. We conducted focus group discussions to understand a day in life of our stakeholder. We arrived at a few critical needs in terms of behavioral learning, spent time deliberating with internal and external stakeholders, and then we built a model learner journey with specific components: learner experience and engagement. Let us see where was the inspiration behind this innovation. Solution. We built a leadership pipeline in MDP with the help of Ramcharan's leadership pipeline model. Here's how the assess, develop, assess model is bridging the gap with the new learning framework targeted at mid-management level of the organization. So what exactly is MDP? Managerial Development Program. It is a series of intervention cycle targeted towards the mid-management to provide them structured learning intervention which aid in building, preparing and developing and strengthening them for their current and forthcoming roles. It starts as soon as a PA is promoted to an associate level. Series of learning intervention are designed to support the crucial turn that the associates take as they start handling teams. Learning model from traditional competency focused learning to packaged solutions. The new learning framework helped us bridge gap and create a strong leadership pipeline. We adopted blended learning methodology with multi-touch points. We redesigned the experience of the participants so that they get advantage of everything the virtual world has to offer. Tier IT organizations were building similar structured learning solutions that were not completely meeting their objectives due to diversity in learner preferences. We are way ahead as our solution appreciates differences in learner preferences and at the same time achieves performance and business outcomes laid out. This century, technology is constantly transforming learning. That's why we came up with a stack of packaged solutions in form of gamified learning experience, customized online solutions, virtual programs, learning embedded officers, action learning plan, discussion forum for peer networking, social learning, flexible learning, etc.
This wouldn't have been possible had it not been the perfect synergy between the solutions, implementation and consulting teams. Let's hear it from our participants. Now let's hear from our Academy leader. We came up with Cognizant Career Architecture Framework, where all employees are provided with an individualized development plan to support their competency-based development goals and corporate operational goals. With this, we conclude the video. MDP team is striving towards innovation. We believe together we can innovate. Thank you for watching the video.
Created using Powtoon.